All right, let's give this air horn a try. We're going to just listen to it. My neighbors are going to hate me. This is going to be quick. Kind of worried. All right, here we go. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Saillong's 1.4 ounce air horn. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me, but my neighbors do not want to thank them. I played this outside for just a second. The video will not convey how loud this was. It startled me. It startled my dogs and my wife. It works. It says a half-mile range. It was probably longer. It was so loud. I think I'm going to be kicked out of my neighborhood, but that's what you want when you have an air horn in an emergency. Perfect. Fog horn. If you were to run into a bear, the bear's running away. Now, I can't say that's going to happen for sure, but I've had these before. When I went to Colorado, I had an air horn just in case. It's a first line of defense, especially against animals in an emergency. If you do boating, sporting events, it is loud, everyone. It's going to do exactly what you want to do. Startle people or warn them. One important thing, do not use this in temperatures above 122 or below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and do not expose to direct sunlight. Also, when using for marine purposes, make sure you confirm with the Coast Guard that this will work. This does meet Coast Guard requirements for boats 65 feet or 20 meters long. This is a #1 seller. This is the 2-pack here. They sell a 1-pack. This gets 4.4 stars, over 800 reviews. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.